What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today, man. Today I'm gonna clean this dirty Jeep. It got so dirty on me, y'all. I was going through puddles because it was raining real bad for a while here in Pensacola, so it got a little dirty on me. So we're gonna get this little foam shot they got at this car wash, you know. So I guess we ain't gonna waste no time with that, YouTube, so let's get right into it. Hey YouTube, just got it rinsed, so let's get into this foaming process right now. Gotta get it nice and wet for my baby, so let's do it. YouTube, just cleaned all the foam off and it looked like it didn't do too bad of a job. So I only had to pay $3 to foam the whole thing, so that's actually not too bad from what it looked like before to now. Let me give y'all a little walk around real quick. Look 10 times better. You know, all that dirt is gone now, which is a good thing. Putting in a little wear. I broke a little sweat doing it, but see those tires and stuff look a lot better. So I actually don't mind that little foam dance. Like and subscribe. Alright YouTube, so that's that. The foaming is finally done. Appreciate it for tuning in today. Stay tuned for more videos. See that Jeep right there? Stay tuned for more videos. Hit the like, subscribe for me. We out.